This is Physio double knee to chest. One of my favorite stretches, rehab exercise to use to loosen up your lower back, right? So if you have a physio at home, really great exercise just to utilize, okay? So how we're gonna start, we're gonna lay down on our back, okay? We're going to place the ball right underneath our calves into our ankles, okay? From here, you're gonna relax. This should feel good, okay? So arms are down by your side. From here, we're gonna drive our knees into our chest to what's comfortable, and then controlling right back out to our legs straight, okay? So you're gonna feel that stretch, that flexion stretch in your low back as you pull your knees in. Maybe if you want a little extra stretch at the end, you can take your hands and gently pull, and then just continue right back to that starting position. Okay, so really great exercise to utilize to stretch out the lower back. That is your physio double knee to chest.